Welcome to NetTalks Tamil. Today we are going to discuss about what is physical layer in OSI model. In OSI model we have 7 layers. In that bottommost layer is physical layer. In OSI model we have 7 layers, which is application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical layer. In that we'll call it as a physical layer is a layer 1, and then data link is a layer 2, network layer is a layer 3, transport is a layer 4, session is a layer 5, presentation is a layer 6, application is a layer 7. In this today we are discussing about physical layer, which is the layer 1. It's a bottommost layer in OSI model, which is the physical and electrical representation to the system. It consists of various network components such as power plugs, connectors, receivers, cable types, etc. See, the data while passing through the physical layer, it will be 0 and 1. The physical layer sends a data bits from one device to another device. The physical media sends a data from one device to another device as a bits. The physical layer defines the types of encoding. The physical layer responsible for the communication of the unstructured raw stream over the physical medium. The physical medium, it's like our cables, our receivers, and then interface cards. All those things will comes under the physical layer only. Why the OSI model is required? OSI model we have differentiated with 7 layers. In case of any issue with the cabling, any interfaces, any patch panel issue, all those things will comes under the physical layer. We can easily identify the problem and we can troubleshoot it instead of looking in complete in networking things. Okay, physical layer level issue we can. And then is there any switch level issue, MAC address level issues, then we can say it is a data link layer. Then when into the IPs, routing, all those things into the picture, then we can say as a network layer issue. When it comes in the UDP or TCP, which port, all those things comes under into the picture, we can say as a transport layer issue. See, similar way, okay, is there any application is not responding, all those comes under application level issue, application layer issue, we can call it as. Okay, to identify and segregate the issues with the layer wise, this OSI model is very useful. The OSI reference model is very useful. In this OSI model, okay, the data will be flowed in the encoded signal as a 0 and 1. Let us see what and all functions are performed by physical layer. The physical layer maintains the data rate, how many bits a sender can send per second. Okay, it's purely based on the cable capacity and the interface capacity. Okay, it will be decided how much data it can be, how many bits can be sent to the receiver. All those things will be decided by physical layer. And then it performs the synchronization of bits through the physical medium. It helps the transmission media decisions, direction of data transfer, TX, receiving direction, sending direction, all those things will be decided by the physical layer. It helps a physical topology like mesh, star, bus, ring, decision, the topology through which we can connect the devices with each other, like how we are designing the physical devices based on the star topology or mesh topology or bus topology, ring topology. Okay, those physical topology also comes at a physical layer. It's a physical layer topology. And then it helps us in providing the physical medium and interface decision. It provides the two types of configuration, point-to-point configuration and multi-point configuration, which is the kind of a link we will be using, like a WAN links. It provides an interface between devices like our PC to compute, PC to laptop, laptop to PC, PC to switch or hub. All those things comes under the physical layer itself. And then it provides the data. It has a protocol data unit is a bits. Okay, the data whatever is passing over the physical medium, it is a bits. The example for the physical layer device which is used is hub, Ethernet switch, cables, Wi-Fi adapters. All those things comes under the physical layer devices. This layer comes under the category of hardware layer, since the hardware layer is responsible for all physical connection establishment and processing too. See, whatever the physical devices we are see for the network communication, we'll call that device comes under the physical layer device or hardware device. It provides an important aspect called modulation, which is the process of converting the data into radio waves by adding the information to the electrical or optical nerve signal. See, this is like electrical signal which will be passed through our media like a copper cable or fiber cable, whatever. Okay, these electrical signal will be passed as a 0 and 1 bit as a bit into the physical media. Okay, those modulation and all will be taken care of by physical layer. The physical now I let me summarize it. The physical layer is the bottom layer of OSI, which is the which involves what are the physical device comes on the network. Okay, those devices and all comes in the physical layer. They especially cables, okay, hub, and then patch panel, all those things are comes under physical layer. Thanks for watching Nectalks Tamil. Please like it, share it, subscribe it. If you have any doubts, please drop your doubts in comment box. Doubts will be addressed in upcoming videos.